Ignite your YouTube growth from frustration to success. Meet Alex, a passionate YouTuber, staring helplessly at low views. Frustration sets in as dreams seem out of reach. But here's the uplifting truth. Many creators have faced this hurdle. Let's uncover 5 quick fixes to turn that frown into a triumphant smile. A dull thumbnail can be a silent killer. Transform bland visuals into clickable masterpieces. Bold colors, engaging images, and clear text can entice a viewer to click. Turn passive scrolling into clicking joy. Inconsistent uploads confuse your audience. Create an achievable content calendar. This not only helps retain viewers, but attracts new ones. An engaged audience eagerly awaits your next drop, building anticipation and loyalty. Ignoring comments? They're more than just words. Engage with your audience, answer questions, acknowledge praise, and consider feedback. Building a community fosters trust and keeps viewers coming back for more. Don't let blurry videos ruin your content's potential. Invest in good equipment or use simple tricks for better quality. A crisp, clear video is inviting and ensures viewers stick around till the end. An empty search bar is a missed opportunity. Utilize SEO by researching keywords, adding tags, and writing accurate descriptions. Enhance discoverability and let your channel shine in the vast YouTube universe. You've seen Alex's journey from frustration to success. Now it's your turn. Apply these changes and watch your numbers soar. Hit that record button, tweak those settings, and reshape your channel's future today. Let those subscribers roll in. Transform dreams into achievements.